Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today we're looking at Shopify and Payhip, two platforms that help you sell products online. If you're not sure which one is better for your business, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand how they work and which one might be the right fit for you. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link that we've put down below in the description for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. First, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce builders in the world, really. It gives you everything you need to build a full online store, from product pages and payment tools to apps, marketing features, and even physical store support. It works for small beginners, but it also has the power to run huge brands. Payhip is a much simpler platform. It's mainly meant for creators who want to sell digital downloads, courses, memberships, or even physical products without needing a complicated website. It is clean, light, and very easy to use, especially if you are just starting. Now, let's move on to features. Shopify is like a full service workshop for your online store. It provides everything from customizable designs and product organization to inventory tracking and even discount codes. With hundreds of apps, you can add almost any feature that really you could think of. Shopify lets you sell physical goods, digital products, services, and even subscriptions. It also comes with marketing tools for email, recovering abandoned carts, and connecting with social media. Now, Payhip, on the other hand, is much more straightforward. It's designed to get you selling quickly and easily. You can sell digital files, coaching memberships, and even physical items without a complex setup. Payhip takes care of things like automatically sending files to customers, handling EU taxes, creating coupons, sending basic emails. But however, it doesn't offer the same level of in-depth customization or the advanced e-commerce tools that you'll find with Shopify. Let's look at ease of use. Shopify gives you much more power, but it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners because there are many settings and options. The good thing is that Shopify has great tutorials. It's got strong support and a smooth dashboard once you get used to it. Payhip, on the other hand, is one of the easiest platforms that you will ever use. Trust me, you can upload a product and start selling in minutes. There are very few steps, and everything is simple enough for complete beginners. If you want a tool that does not require learning anything complicated, Payhip wins in this area. Now, pricing. Shopify has 4 plans: basic, $25 per month; grow, $65 per month; advanced, $399 per month; and the plus plan is $2,300 per month. Payhip has 3 plans. The free plan is free, but it has a 5% transaction fee per month. The plus plan, $29 per month with a 2% transaction fee. The pro plan is $99 per month with no transaction fees. So, big question. Which do you choose? If you want to build a complete online store with advanced features, apps, payment options, and full design control, Shopify is the far better choice. It grows with your business and works for any size store. But if you want something simple, affordable, and perfect for selling digital products, courses, or memberships, Payhip is a great option. It's easy to set up, very beginner friendly, and removes the stress of running a complicated store. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You get you unlock rather the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. And if this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.